Hello, my name is Altaf. So today is the 21st day of Zoom Marathon Challenge Season 4. So today we will talk about local storage, session storage, and cookies. So the HTTP protocol is the best protocol to communicate with server side and client side. But the drawback is there is no sharing information between the server side and client side. So for this we use local storage, session storage, and the cookies. So the local storage is storage where we store some data to process our data. So there we can store the tokens of the login items. So there we can store the login profile system or the coming data from the backend. We can store there for reference. So this is the local storage. So for client side, we can use get item to getting item for from the local storage, and for setting item in the local storage we use set item, and for removing the some item from the local storage we use remove item, and for clearing the storage we can use clear for the local storage. So there is one more storage. There is that is session storage. So the session storage is the basic advance of the session storage. Is it can be or it's wiped up after the reloading page, or reset it again, or it can be wiped up permanently if we close the tab or close the browser, because it's session. Because there is a page is open, then it's stored in the session storage. Then after closing the tab or closing the browser, it can be wiped up. So this is the advanced function of the session storage. So for storing or getting the item from the session storage, there is same methods: get item, set item, or remove item, or clear, like local storage. So there is another storage of cookies. So this is the advanced option of the storing the information. There we can store the login token, expiry token, we can store there. So for this we use cookies. So cookies can be read on the client side, and cookies can be read from the server side. But local storage and the session storage can't be read by the server side, can be read only on the server side, client side. Server side can't be read. Server side only read the cookies. So cookies can we can set the time for expiry of the cookies. Like if we want to clear the cookies after 2 hours, we can set that time for the cookies. Just like we can use this method to access the information from the front end, we use cookies. So this is the three storage: local storage, and session storage, and cookies. So local storage is the storage that store in the browser with local storage has URL, website as URL, and it's permanent. If we set again, that it can be set, but it's permanent, it can't be wiped up again. When we close tab or close browser, it can't be expired. So local storage is permanent storage. For this it's up to 5 MB to 10 MB, and for cookies there is only 5 MB, and for the session storage there is only 5 MB, and for cookies there is only 4 to 5 KB. So this is the storage item, and local storage can't be accessed, but cookies accessible, but local storage and session storage can't be accessed. And so session storage as a function that it wiped up when we close the browser or close the tab, or when we reload the window or reload the tab, it's resetted again. So that's all about the three things. So thank you.